In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage marketing campaigns in Smartsheet, Planner 2026. First, open your browser and head to smartsheet.com. This is where everything lives, from your sheets and dashboards to your shared workspaces. Go ahead and sign in to your Smartsheet account. Click Sign In and use your organization's usual method, whether that's email and password or single sign-on. If your account uses two-factor authentication, complete that step as well. Once you're in, you'll land on your home page. On home, you'll see recent items, favorites, and the left-hand navigation. This home base helps you jump back into work quickly. From here, we're going to move into your shared environment. Click all workspaces on the left. Workspaces are where teams organize sheets, reports, and dashboards by department or project. Inside all workspaces, look for the workspace named Marketing Campaigns. If you don't see it yet, you can add it using Smartsheet's template gallery, which offers pre-built campaign planners to get you started fast. Once the Marketing Campaigns workspace is available, select it to open the contents. You'll typically see two core areas: Admin and Campaigns. Use the Admin area to manage the structure behind your program. This is where you might centralize drop-down lists, stages, and roles, keep reference sheets tidy, and make sure naming conventions are consistent. It's also a good place to confirm who has access to what, so your team can collaborate without confusion. In the Campaigns area, you'll run the day-to-day. Open the campaign plan or tracker and update key fields like status, owner, start and end dates, channels, and budget. Add attachments such as briefs and creative files, and keep conversations in context by using row comments. If you prefer different views, switch between grid for details, Gantt for timelines, and card view for a Kanban-style flow. You'll also see items for campaign intake, portfolio, and setup instructions. Campaign intake is where new requests begin. Use the form or sheet to capture goals, audiences, timelines, and required assets so nothing is missed. The portfolio view rolls everything up, helping you monitor health, deadlines, and dependencies across campaigns. Setup instructions provide guidance on how the system is organized, so refer to that anytime you're unsure about fields or workflow. Finally, check Assigned Tasks. This is where you'll see what's on your plate. Open a task, review the details, update progress, and mark it complete when done. If timing changes, adjust dates so dashboards and reports stay accurate. And that's it. You're ready to manage marketing campaigns in Smartsheet with clarity and control.